As far as our construction sets go, these are your old-fashioned wooden blocks. What are you building there, boys? Make Corey a tower.
We're not going to get him back. He's not going to come back. Unless he...
So you can see that's good for the fine motor. It's...
And hopefully Corey does not break it.
You're making sure they're the right length, guys?
Yeah.
You've got different lengths there. See Corey doing all the work in the middle. Over here we've got the girls using the straws and connectors here. And you can see that's a lot of fine stuff there. And what are you building there, ma'am? A house. Very good. Looks like James is going to attempt some zoobs.
Ultimate masterpiece. I'm going to spell my name.
That's pretty cool. I've tried to use different examples of different types of blocks. You can see here these ones, as I said, are the straws and connectors. You can make some awesome 3D stuff with that. These are some of the examples of things they can construct. I've seen some of them made. I usually go for the big tower though, don't you guys? Your typical Lego here. How's the house coming? Okay. And there's something different with the zoobs. It's a good name, that one, James. Make sure it's all connected. And how's our tower going over here, guys?
Very good. We're getting a few short ones.
Corey's decided he's going to help now. Oh, is this one a finished project? I need to stand up here and get it all in. Good job.
Okay, now I might go over and help these poor blokes.
Colour coordinated there. What's it called?
It's the window tower.
Excellent. How's this going, boys?
Come on.
What you doing over there, Coop? Some large building.
I'm making an obstacle course for my front foot. No, for free mine.
You back to building the obstacle course, Coop? Looks like you're building a mesticle course, guys.
Yeah. That's where your front foot.
Oh, is that a hat, is it? Excellent.
And this got here we go! In the earthquake.
Okay.
So there's your stuff.
All right. Thanks, guys. So that's been Corey.
Dan's, Geordie, Chingy, James.
And that's how you play with 3D construction sets. Thanks, guys.